So it has become time for the drawing for the KUJO shoe giveaway. I want to really thank KUJO Shoes for doing a giveaway and being willing to give away some shoes on my channel for free. So I kind of like that these shoes are like a mid-height shoe. I normally wear shoes that are low profile, so when you snug them up, they feel tight around your ankle, and I actually like that feeling. It's got this rubber toe here, or this waterproof toe right here. This part is not waterproof, and then this mesh is not waterproof. So I guess the only thing that I don't like about these shoes would be this little part right here, which is not waterproof. So if there's water that you're walking through or you're spraying with your hose or something, you cannot get water right here, or it goes down into your sock. And that's one thing I really don't like, is wet feet inside my shoes. I very much dislike that, but all in all, I am happy with these shoes. I paid, I think, 120 bucks for these shoes, and I don't regret buying these shoes at all. They're really good for working in the yard. Yesterday, I spread 15 tons of sand over there and around the side, and I didn't get any sand in my shoes at all. So that's generally something that I always get in my shoes when I'm spreading sand, is I always end up with sand in my shoes. And these, I didn't get any in there, which was really nice. So if you guys want to buy these shoes, you can use the coupon code LawnRebel10, and you know, I'd recommend these shoes. Actually, I don't have any regret in buying these shoes. I'm really happy with them, and I will continue to use these shoes only when I'm working in the lawn or in the yard. So I've got several things to give away in this video. Not only am I going to give away a pair of free shoes courtesy of KUJO, but I've got these hats here. A lot of people have been asking me, where can I get one of those hats? Where can I get one of those hats? And you know, I don't think you can buy these hats. Barenbrug Seed Company gave me these hats, and I don't think you can buy these, but they sell seed, and I don't know if I've used their seed or not, but I was told by the outlet rep that either Pennington or Barenbrug produces a large majority of the seed that we use. So it's likely that some of my seed could be produced by Barenbrug. I got two of these hats that I'm going to give away. He brought these hats as well. These are from Pennington Seed Company. These are, I don't know, turf and water conservation something. I don't know. This is a turf hat from Pennington. I've got several of these hats. I've got this mug here. This is cool. This is one of those insulated mugs. I should really keep this one for myself. So this one is Barenbrug. It's a Plan to Legacy. It's one of these insulated mugs. Really should keep this one for myself, but hey, I want to give it away. Got these rubber cups. These are just kind of rubber cups like this, and these are from Wild Dutchman. Got 3 of those. And Wild Dutchman is a sunflower seed company. Somebody gave me these as well. He gave me 3 boxes of these. I don't know what kind these are, but if you like sunflower seeds. So this is a whole case of Flamin' Bacon. Look at this, a whole case of these Flamin' Bacon, probably 10 or 12, probably like 15 bags. So here's another box of seeds here. These are open pit barbecue flavor. These are ranch, okay? So, if you like seeds, I'm going to give some of those away as well. So the last thing I've got is I'm going to give away 1 or 2 of these shirts. These say Domination on them. They've got this pink flamingo on there. So I've got them in this light blue color. This is what they look like on the back. I've got gray, and I've got some darker blue ones, like this color. So one of the subscribers who's on the lawn forum, he actually paid for the shirt, and he's giving that away. So I really want to thank him for doing that. He's awesome. I sent him one of these hats as well, because he donated some money and said, hey, take the money and give away one of those shirts. So let's do the drawing for the shoes. Actually, let's do the shoes last, actually. So let's give away this awesome cup, this Barenbrug cup. So let's give away this cup right here first. I had to move my operation inside a little bit because it's getting dark outside. I'm losing daylight, so let's pick a winner for this this cup right here. So I'm just using this little comment picker right here on my phone. And the first winner is Purposely Powerful. And he says, oh yeah, awesome. So awesome, dude. So Perfectly Powerful, you win the cup. Let's do another winner. Gonna be Andrew Hillier. He says, oh yeah. So Andrew, you gotta contact me for that hat. Let's give away one of these blue hats here. So here we go. So this is for this blue hat, and it's from Fabian Bartalos. Fabian Bartalos. He says, oh yeah. So he gets the blue hat, and then let's give another blue hat away. I'm going to save this one for a later date on a later giveaway. So the next winner is Strider7171, and he says, oh yeah, raspberries. Awesome, thank you. So there's another blue hat for Strider7171. Let's give away this little lunch pail. You can either take this or not, but it looks like this. It's like just a little insulated lunch pail thing. It's got the proceeds and something else on there. So I've got 2 of these. Let's give one of those away. I have Mark P. He says, oh yeah. Can't believe how much I enjoy seeing your new videos from your channel, Connor. Your passion for your lawn is inspiring, and these videos are highly entertaining. Let's get the mower out. Go for this. I hope I can use that phrase for the rest of this year. It'll drive my wife crazy. That is awesome. Thank you for that comment, Mark. So he wins the lunch pail. And then I've got these right here, these Wild Dutchman little cups right here. These are kind of squishy cups, rubber cups. Let's find a winner for that one. Jason Barney, he says, oh yeah, brother. Love your channel. So Jason Barney, he wins one of these black cups. I'm going to pick a winner for some seeds. I'll give you several bags of these seeds. So for these sunflower seeds, Matt Coughlin. He says, oh yeah, love the sprinkler work. So thank you. Let's give away one of these shirts, okay? Hopefully I have this in your size. It looks like this. Got different colors. So the color is going to be up to me of which one I pick. But this is a domination shirt. I have several of these left. I have about 20 of those shirts left. If you want to buy one, I'm selling them for 27 bucks. And you can email me. My email will be below. And I do doing PayPal or Venmo. So I'm wearing this shirt as well. So I'm going to give that shirt away courtesy of a member of the Lawn Forum. This guy's awesome. So I'm going to give away a shirt and then the shoes. So the shirt goes to Rick Martin. You get the shirt, Rick. Ricky Martin? That's awesome. And he says, oh yeah. So Ricky Martin, you win the shirt. Hopefully I have your size. I've got 2XL, XL, large, and medium. I'm not sure how many I have in each one of those, but if you guys want to buy one, let me know. Email me below. I don't have a web store or anything like that. You got to email me. Okay, so the last thing I'm giving away are these KUJO shoes. Big props to KUJO Yardwear for giving away these shoes. I want to really thank them for doing that. These shoes are awesome. I actually personally really like them. I paid 120 bucks for them, and I do not regret buying these. They've got a great sole, an awesome waterproof toe. They come up high, which is nice. These shoes are awesome. If you want to buy a pair of these, go on their website and put in coupon code LawnRebel10, and then you'll get 10% off your order. So big props to KUJO for giving away these shoes. Let's show them some love in the comments below on this video. And if you didn't win, I'm sorry, but there can only be one winner for the shoes. So I'm sorry if you don't win, but that's how it goes. So the winner of the shoes, Connor Ward.
Oh yeah!
And he says, oh yeah! There can only be one winner for the shoes. So I'm sorry if you don't win, but that's how it goes. So the winner of the shoes, Blake Norfleet. And he says, "Oh yeah." So I'm giving you guys like less than a week, like 3, 4, 5 days. 5 days. If you do not email me, my email will be below. You forfeit. If you miss the 5-day window, you're out. You're not getting the giveaway. So I gave away a lot of crap here. Give away hats, cups, hats, sunflower seeds, a bunch of crap, and an awesome pair of shoes. And if you don't email me, you're out. And I'm going to pick another winner. And I want to thank you guys for watching these videos. Thanks for doing the Macho Man giveaway. I just want to say one quick thing about the Macho Man giveaway. The reason that I did the giveaway, the Macho Man style, is I just wanted to reward my subscribers, the people that actually really watch my videos. Because I didn't want to give away the shoes to some random guy that just searches giveaway at YouTube and then enters. I wanted to give these to people who really watch my videos, who really comment on my videos. So that's why I did it like that. I kind of wanted to do it a little bit trickery, but I want to thank KUJO Yardwear for doing the shoe giveaway. They're awesome, and that's why I went ahead and did it this way. And George Papa gave me these glasses. I want to thank him for that as well. Thank you, George. So that's all I've got for you guys. Email me if you won, and email me if you want a shirt. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
Oh yeah!